This telescope made me yell holy moon. MEEZAA 150EQ Sky Beast Review. Feeling like a galaxy reject with your blurry backyard binoculars? Ever spent hours squinting through a so-called beginner telescope, only to see what looked like a dusty marble instead of the moon? We've all been there, frustrated, slightly dizzy, and questioning if that great view of Saturn was just your neighbor's porch light. You're not crazy. Your gear just isn't cutting it. The cosmos is putting on a show, and you're stuck behind the worst seats in the galaxy. It's not you. It's the toy scope. If you're tired of false promises and blurry regrets, the MEEZAA 150EQ Reflector Telescope is your exit ramp to stellar satisfaction. But it gets worse before it gets better, because you're missing everything. That meteor shower? Gone before you could focus. Jupiter's bands? More like blurry tan stripes. Deep sky stuff? Forget it. Every minute you stick with weak gear is another opportunity lost to feel awe, to snap that perfect phone pic, to say whoa, like a true space nerd. Stress builds. That new hobby becomes a pile of mounting disappointment. You start resenting the moon for being so smug up there. If you're nodding along while your inner Carl Sagan dies a little, it's time to break free. Enter the MEEZAA 150EQ, your interstellar game changer. This ain't your grandpa's shaky cardboard tube. With a monster 150mm aperture, a 2x Barlow lens, and ultra-clear optics, this telescope doesn't play, it performs. German equatorial mount? Check. Moon filter? Oh yes. Smartphone adapter? Built in. It tracks celestial bodies smoother than a jazz sax solo. And with crystal clear magnification up to 130x, you're not just looking at space, you're in it. Whether you're a total rookie or secret astronomy buff, this scope makes you feel like a star whisperer. Everything's better with MEEZAA. Clarity, control, and cosmic confidence. No more shaky stargazing. The sturdy tripod keeps your view stable, the upgraded finder scope makes target locking a breeze, and the moon filter? Chef's kiss. Track, focus, and marvel, all in one fluid motion. The accessories? All included. Instructions? Simple. It even has a 24/7 tech support squad ready to geek out with you. Whether you're trying to impress a date or escape the stress of reality, MEEZAA's got your back like Orion's belt. Ready to level up? Hit that Learn More button below. Act now, before this galaxy-sized deal disappears. Don't be that person stuck Googling why is my telescope so blurry, while others are capturing full lunar craters in 4K. Thousands of starchasers already made the jump and are now living their best Milky Way life. You deserve skies that sparkle and a telescope that delivers, without breaking your wallet or patience. So stop waiting for the next perfect night and make this one count. Tap the link, grab your MEEZAA 150EQ, and claim your VIP seat to the universe. Don't just watch the stars, own them.